Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update your iPhone XR and sign into your Apple ID so profiles install cleanly. Once done, open Settings and tap Cellular. This is where you add the eSIM. Make sure you have the carrier QR code or activation code visible on another device or paper. Tap Add Cellular Plan and point the camera at the QR code or enter details manually when prompted. You'll see a scanning animation and a temporary label while the phone contacts. After scanning or entering SMDP plus details, you'll be prompted to label the plan, choose something clear so you can switch quickly. You must decide whether this eSIM will be your primary voice line or just data. Tap the options to set primary, secondary, or cellular data only. Once you confirm, the phone will contact the carrier and provision the eSIM. This can take a minute. Make sure you keep Wi-Fi or cellular on and don't close settings until you see confirmation. When activation completes, you'll see the new plan listed under cellular plans and signal bars for that carrier. Make a test call or load a web page to confirm. If it doesn't activate, first restart your iPhone XR and try scanning the QR or re-entering SMDP plus and activation code. Sometimes provisioning clears on reboot. If problems persist, contact the carrier and provide your device IMEI and EID so they can push the profile. This often resolves stuck activations quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.